Hello po, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Gagawa po tayo ng spicy crispy salmon. Ano mo? Pasensya na kayo kasi may naggagawa dito ngayon eh. Then, here's some chips. Chili oil. Ito na yung chef namin. Oh. Pati ka muna, chef.
Ito po, gumagawa sushi.
Siya naman gumagawa ng sushi. Kasi may order kaming salmon lover platter. Tapos 2 scoop crispy salmon. Bali 3 yan. Kasi 2 dito, 1 dito. Okay, dyan lang muna kayo. Manood lang po muna kayo. Lagyan natin ng spicy mayo. You know. I'll take away ito. Lagyan natin. Yun, no? At take away, walang crumbs. Hindi namin linalagay. Linalagay na lang namin sa lagayan. Ano yung crumbs? Ito po yung crumbs. Tatlo na yan. Tapos there's our lagyan natin ng baby lettuce. Yes. Yeah, what I see. Yeah, we'll see. Later, I'm coming there. Oh, I have only 1. I don't have a copy. Pulutin na natin itong isa.
To pull too much, man. Just a simple way, man. Just pull down the middle and... Alright. At least enough. Drama. How many tables you will make? Oh. Thank you, sir.
salmon. Better. Once. Pre yun eh. Ay, nakaiwan na. Gusto limpil. Yan, lalagyan natin ng clean film para mas maganda. Para hindi matapon. Yun, okay na po. Ibigyan na natin sa nagre-repack naman. The repack.
Now I'll be
Okay, any shout out? Shout out to your family.
Rico is a very good guy. He's making the sushi and salmon salad. It's looking very nice, amazing. Thank you, man. Good job.
Okay, you're welcome. Hey, you have Krispy Kreme.
Thank you, Rico.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you very much. Bye. Safe always.